Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Stellar. In my earlier videos, I was showing you that after the breakout from a down channel, the price line of Stellar was breaking out a very significant resistance zone from 45 cents to 49 cents. And this was one of those videos. By the way, this was my last video that I shared a few hours ago with you. Now let's move to the live chart. And here you can see that on this daily time frame chart for the past several days, it was moving inside this channel. We had rejection, bounce, rejection, bounce, rejection, bounce. And after this rejection, finally the price then broke out the resistance. And after the breakout from this channel, imminently, it also broke out this very significant resistance of Ichimoku bullish cloud as well. And now this cloud was working as a very firm and strong support. And using this support, the price then geared up. And right now, we have broken out the lower support of the support zone that was at 45 cents. And now it is trying to break out the top of the support zone that is at 49 cents. You can see that previously it was working as support zone here. And after the breakdown for the past several days or weeks, it was flipped into a very strong resistance zone. Since after 9th of December 2024, we got several rejections here, few more rejections here, rejection here, and now we are entered inside this resistance zone, and now it is trying to break out the top of this resistance zone. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this very massive breakout on this big and long-term falling wedge pattern that was happening here on the 7 days time frame chart. And we will also take a look at the massive and very huge ascending triangle that is found on the monthly time frame chart. And I would also like to share with you a quite long-term trade signal for Stellar that I shared almost 2 years ago with my members. And that was a very huge harmonic bullish reversals Gartley pattern that Stellar formed on a monthly time frame chart. And so far, this signal has produced more than 400% rally. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, and I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of December 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like the trade setup for Hive, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this trade setup. Like this trade signal I shared on 31st of December 2024 with my members. And here you can also watch the complete trade signal as well. Like this was the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. After that, it will show you how the price line had moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let's move to the long-term trade setup for Stellar that I shared almost 2 years ago with my members on 29th of May 2022. And this was a very long-term and huge harmonic bullish reverse Gartley pattern that Stellar formed on the monthly time frame chart. Therefore, this was a very long-term trade signal. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that finally the price line is geared up from this buying zone and read the sell target zone. So far, it has produced more than 400% pump. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let's move to the live chart of Stellar. And first of all, let me show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several days or weeks, it was moving inside this down channel. And after the breakout, we broke out this Ichimoku bullish cloud that is now working as a very firm support. For a few days, we broke it down while moving inside this channel to the downside. But now the price has recovered back, and now we are breaking out this very long-term and very strong resistance on that starts from 45 cents and goes to 49 cents. Previously, it was working as support here. And after the breakdown, it is flipped into resistance. And I'm expecting that as soon as the price breaks it down, then soon it can hit the target for the breakout from this channel. That target is here at the top of the channel, approximately at 63 cents. Now, if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then here you can see that we have already broken out this very big and long-term falling wedge pattern. And now we are very close to hit the target for the breakout from this wedge. That is here at the top of the wedge. That is somewhere between 80 cents to $1. Now, if we take a look at the monthly time frame chart, then this is a very huge, another very huge setup that Stellar has found on the monthly time frame chart. Since after the month of July 2017, it is moving inside this triangle, this ascending triangle. We had a bounce here, rejection, bounce, rejection, bounce, and now the price is once again rejected by the resistance, but so far it is still moving very close to the resistance of this triangle. For example, if this time it will test the support, then it can test the support somewhere here, approximately at 10 cents. But after the breakout from this triangle, we can expect a very massive rally. That can be a quite long-term move. And the technical target and the quite long-term target for this breakout from this triangle will be here. That will be approximately at $50. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.